American hypercar company SSC shocked the world as it announced that its flagship car Tuatara never achieved 331 miles per hour or 301 miles per hour during its top speed run in Nevada. The company officially said that it will keep striving to officially break the 300 miles per hour barrier. It is unclear what exactly caused the company to believe it hit 331 miles per hour. If that never happened, we also don't know how long it has known that the original number was inaccurate. Suspicion mounted shortly after the announcement, as YouTuber Shmi150 called the record run video into question. The company wants to do yet another run, but the car used for the original record attempt was wrecked with heavy damage while transporting in a carrier. Because for this incident, Jared Shelby will be under a huge pressure to deliver the result in order to retain the reputation of his company.